Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply withdraw BNB from Binance to Trust Wallet. It's an easy process, but you must have a Binance account, else you can proceed. But by simply using our link in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebate when you register and verify your account. So guys, once you've logged in with a verified account, all you need to do in order to withdraw the BNB is head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now at the wallet section, you're dropped at the overview where you have an overlook of your assets and all your accounts containing where your assets might be. Scroll from the overview to your spot or your funding depending on where your assets are stored. And as you can see, the BNB is right here. Select BNB. Once you've done that, click on the withdrawal option that's just down here. Click on Send via Crypto Network, and you're taken to the Send BNB menu where you must have the address, the network, and the amount you wish to send from. And you can get all these details from your Trust Wallet. So simply open up your Trust Wallet. Okay guys, and once your Trust Wallet is opened up, the toggle at the top right corner of the screen, select this toggle and search for BNB. Now you're met with all the BNBs. We have the BNB on the Beacon chain and the Smart chain. So let's work with BNB on Smart chain. Click on the Smart chain BNB, click on receive, copy this address, minimize, open up your Binance, paste this address right here. As you can see, the network also matches with the BEP20, and then put in the minimum amount. So the minimum is 0.01. So you could simply send 4 BNB or whatever, or whatever amount of BNB you have is what you could send. And then click on the withdraw option down here and you'd receive your BNB by simply reloading on Trust Wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.